my fourth miss. With a wedding ring, it's all runs into.
Sound check time. At the Cleveland Improv, it's sound check time. Yeah, could you turn up a little bit? Uh-oh, all right. Glad that happened here and not at the so this thing's going completely out. That's professionalism. And we're back. Sound check time. That sounds a lot better. Sound check time at the Cleveland Improv. It's sound check time. Sound check time at the Cleveland Improv. What's up, Phyllis Jones? What's going on? Devon Greenham, Toya, Enemy, what's going on? Crystal Cameron, what's going on, y'all? We are live at the Cleveland Improv for sound check. Wow, there's a lot of y'all on here. Okay. If you're in Cleveland, pull up. We are here. What's going on? Shelton, what's going on? Desmond Crawford, what's going on? Gregory North, what's going on? Jeanette Smith, Janet, what's up? Sheila Croucher, Rick James, you forgot the biatch on the end. Right. Demetrius, what's going on? Billy Brewer, what's going on? SP Price, what's going on? David G, what's up? We are live at the Cleveland Improv and it's sound check time. Sound check time. What up, cuzzo? Dion Primetime Sanders in his thing. Sound check time. It's sound check time. It's sound check time at the Cleveland Improv. It's sound check time. Sound check time. Kristen, what's going on? Dina Mason, what's going on? Holly Buert, what's up? Teresa Harris, what's going on? Richard West, what up? What up, Rich? Pontian Felix, what's up? Kenny Willis, how are you? Lou Love, what up, Lou Love? Sound check time. Brasford Oak, what's going on? Cornell Young, what's going on? You guys are out here. Remo, what it do? Foreign L's, what it do? RC Fabrications, what's up? Tony Jordan, what's going on? Memphis, Tennessee in this thing. It's sound check time. Cleveland Improv, it's sound check time. At the Cleveland Improv. What's up, Brasswood Clacks? Joe Mullins, what's up? Mario Green, what's going on? Patrick? Latasha Parnell, what up? What it do though? Musa Koita, I butchered that name, I'm pretty sure. Dante Dwayne Johnson, what it do? You copied the rock, man. Christopher Rich, what's up? Youngstown, Ohio. Man, what it do, boy? Hey, it is sound check time. It's sound check time.
Give me the mic. Y'all give it up to Jesus. Give it up to Jesus in here tonight, y'all. Give it up to Jesus.
Amen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Praise the nerd.
There's a little light on. There's a little light on the give it up to Jesus.
Man, it's a little different.
I know.
Ain't no chance in here.
It's spaced out.
Like they did for real.
It's like 160 people left.
Yeah, they burned a couple calories.
They such a density for real. That's why it looks different.
Yeah, they doing what? Cause ain't none of the other clubs doing it like this.
Not everybody eats $6.
Yeah, this is really spread out.
But you can always bring him back. He could be in the house.
But why are they? I understand that they're supposed to be spread, but they're like, wow. None of the other clubs, they have it. It's still, you got to have the people in there, but they don't have it so spread apart with it. It's
Never see this.
yeah, because
This is beyond 6 feet.
Well, just tell him that you're.
whoever places does not do stand up. Whoever put these, because you
Why ain't see this?
yeah, this is whoa, this is crazy. I mean, I understand social distance, but everybody's so far. Woo! Good luck, Jordan Jackson. Oh my God! Stand up, Cleveland. Could we be any far apart?